long it takes to cut out the shark. I don't know if you can tell, but it was 3:30, so it's still under 4 minutes. Not bad. Little gills or whatever they're called. I'm allergic to fish, so I'm not familiar, plus I'm Russian. So we can cut them out, but I'm gonna go ahead and Dremel them out, and then we're gonna make it happen in the end. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try it. Let's see how long this takes. So 6.5 minutes, including me bringing up the tool, dremeling, cutting, and even a blade change because I snapped the blade. Not too bad. Give it a quick sand. Before we stain it, we're gonna paint all the edges black. Alright, let's stain it and see if it comes out good. Never know on these. It's a little brush, you can just do the little gills. Alright, so here we can just use some sandpaper, the round ones from this guy or one of these, and just sand some edges, you know, roughen it up a little bit. But since we're pretentious woodworkers and I do have this tool already, we're just gonna go ahead and use this attachment. Yeah, I'm gonna need to buy a new attachment. This one just, I stripped some red paint and it got all stuck on here, so now it just leaves little streaks, but it's pretty easy otherwise. Just go like this and it just cleans up really nicely. Super easy. And there we go, there's the shark. So I got all the edges sanded down. Looks pretty clean, not bad for a piece of plywood that just, I mean, it's pretty much crap. And then we'll make something cool out of that, and there's a shark. Kind of want to do more nautical theme now stuff. I mean, you can use a better wood here, but I had the plywood laying around, so tried it out. Easy peasy. I mean, within an hour, the whole project can be done, except for the waiting for the stain. But thanks you guys for watching, and great success.